How to unpin chat on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unpin chat on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select unpin chat like this one and hold on it, and here you will see this unpin icon here, and click on it one click, and that's it. As you see, chat have been unpinned. Now just if you want to pin shot again, hold on it and click this one pin, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to unpin shots on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.